Across Yorkshire and the Humber region, Altogether Better is empowering individuals to become community health champions. Working with the people that share their lives at home and in the workplace, they promote good diet, exercise and awareness of mental well-being. Over 5 years, its 16 flagship projects will nurture skills, build confidence and effect systemic change that allows communities to take care of their own good health.
Fresh and Fruity is trying to reach customers like school children and young mums, old people, so we go to schools that have no shops nearby and we try and provide them their £5 a day, I guess. We're trying to reach the old people. We go to sheltered housing places and provide I think a pretty good service. So yeah, I think we're reaching the places that other veg stalls don't reach.
Well, I'm a diabetic, love, and I've got to be very careful what I eat. I used to be 14 stone at one time. I've got fed to 10 stone. All with exercise and healthy eating. Yeah, it's good for you. It's good for your figure.
Fresh and Fruity is the best thing that's happened to us for a long time because we don't have to go looking for shops, and I mean we've got quite a number of people down here that's high dependency, and the Fresh and Fruity's at the door, and they can either get a neighbour to bring it for them, or if they can manage to come across, they can get it for themselves.
By providing short courses along the East Coast, people are really positive about us because there's not a lot for them to do. And it really is giving something back to the community. We're not just parachuting in and doing our bit and then leaving. We're going to try and leave a mark. We're trying to train people up with an accredited course, so there's going to be something left over to carry on the baton, if you like.
I basically think it's because we're working in the community as volunteers. We do see a lot of people, so therefore we're able to reach out to the people more because we're in the community. Maybe 4 or 5 days a week.
I work for the Mind Your Own Business project, which is a project based in the Rotherham area, and our aim is to work with local employers to try and educate them about why mental health in the workplace is important and give them advice and practical skills and training on how they can promote mental health amongst their workforce and how they can better support employees that might have existing mental health problems or might develop mental health problems.
I'm a joining assessor for Bramwell Construction, and they've sent me on a 2-day mental health first aid course, and it's a right eye-opener to look at people and the different types of stress that it's made me aware of that I weren't aware of before.
In my job as craft trainee and apprentice coordinator, I was asked to attend a course of Mind Your Own Business, and since attending the course it has had a large influence on the way I work and the way I work amongst the apprentices on a daily basis now. While I go out and about on site and visiting the apprentices and the trainees, it may be that the site managers approach me, or purely from a conversation with myself with them if I know that they're not their normal self. Some of them they go through different experiences, and it's a matter of like keeping in touch with them and having a chat and learning how to identify. And I think through doing the course, it's made myself more aware of what signs are there and what different feelings people experience.
If we'd have all said to ourselves a year, 2 years ago that we would be participating in the decision-making process for the business plan for the NHS within our local area, we would have said that will never happen. These decisions are made by a set of faceless bureaucrats out in the area that's writing the prescription out. They need this, they need that. But we're now proof that we have been there, we have influenced in the decision-making process that the local primary care trust is providing as services in the north locality. And that's something I'm very proud of.
I was to go to my dentist this morning, but I said, definitely, I prefer to come here. So yes, it's really, I would recommend it. Actually, I was in the doctor's surgery this morning and I invited another friend to come along. So there you are.
We're at the End Methodist Church in Hull. We've just done an hour's exercise with looking good, feeling good.
Through looking good, feeling good, we've become more aware of the needs of the community and the needs that we need to be delivering some form of health message out into the community. We were given the opportunity to do a community health certificate, which we, as a group, did. And through that, we learned about smoking cessation and drug and alcohol misuse.
Yeah, there was a part about mental health as well, how you feel, you know, being depressed and it's surprising sometimes they don't even realise they are depressed.
We've got a certificate.
We went to university, didn't we?
To university.
Yes, it was conducted as it was a degree ceremony. We wore the gown, motorboard and had a fabulous day thanks to Healthwise.
Well, the training I did is what they call the Community Health Educator Training. I managed to do NVQ3 in that, and it was funded by Altogether Better. What it takes is actually understanding that people are different and putting their values, you know, first and honouring and respecting them, and then kind of contribute to what they do already towards achieving good health and healthy living.
I involved to interpreting and do the Tai Chi class. I still very enjoy it. I learn lots of things, and the movement and the breathing is help my health to improve my health as well. So I still very like the Tai Chi. I want to learn all the forms, all the movement together with the group.
We're having a look at the Community Health Champions programme in Sheffield. The programme is very much about local people becoming more empowered to do something about their own health and the health of their friends, their families and people in the local area.
Today we've come to Longley Park and we do an hour's walk, but during the school holidays we thought we'll make it into a fun walk for grandparents, parents and the children to come along to. Me and Claire are doing a level 3 health worker and we're both wanting to go a little bit further after and go into supporting people and being health workers.
You could support them throughout then, couldn't
Yeah.
you? Like diet, stop smoking, drinking, drugs, anything they need supporting with, you can support them with, and then you find the right places to refer them to. Our area is actually known for a lot. We've got coppers all over the place, all the time. So, me working with Healthy Cross and being an health champion made me want to go out and help people to stop that from happening.
And it's a buzz seeing how much people, you know, how well their confidence and everything goes. When you're working with them, you see how well they're doing. And how much it's boosting, and it's a right buzz, you know, watching them bloom.
My past experience hasn't been a good one, you know, always taken from the community, whereas now I've been given that chance to give back to the community and, you know, help people out who actually need the help. You know, and I think that's what I get me beneficial from that, because I enjoy it.
The National Lottery, through the Altogether Better project, has given us here at St Swithin's a gift to make our life better, which I actually feel quite passionate about. The staff within the community centre will be fitter and healthier. The people that come into the community centre will see the change in us and ask us why, and we can help them, we can tell them what it is, and therefore it'll be like a snowball, it'll just get bigger, it'll just get bigger.
Through the empowerment of community health champions, Altogether Better aims to help 105,000 people in groups that are traditionally hard to reach. It has already made a significant impact, breaking down health inequalities and laying the foundations for sustainable change.